kind of messed up that we're here in Vegas and can't really go out and do Vegas. No one's even here.
You still have the attitude to barbecue.
9th day in quarantine. All right, today we are going to go and just take a drive and get out of Dodge. Just kidding. Mom's water. We packed up this cute little ice chest with waters. Jay made us some sandwiches. We got our little chips here. And then we're gonna go take a drive and have lunch at a secluded little picnic area. You ready, Mom? Mm-hmm. All right. Do what we can.
I'm ready when you are.
Oh yeah, I'm ready too. Still have our Mother's Day balloon.
So is it hot out there?
It's about 90.
It's not bad.
90, 91, I think. Hopefully where we're going it won't be too bad. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully it'll be nice.
Pretty, huh, Mom? Said how pretty.
Yeah.
One of the perks living where we do is Red Rock Canyon. It's literally in our backyard, sort of say. I highly recommend for you to visit if you ever get the chance. It's gorgeous. Located on the west side of Las Vegas, and there's a 13-mile scenic route with over 26 hiking trails, camping, picnic areas, and so much more to see, including the wildlife and breathtaking views. I figured since we've been isolated for several days now, I better get us out safely and not get us to reach that cabin fever-like status, even if it's just a short drive. We have our lunch packed and ready for some Red Rock Canyon scenery for the day. Oh, this is nice. No one's even here at this place. And then you have all the red rocks over there. And gorgeous. Yep. Good place to have lunch.
Perfect. Look at the bird.
Don't you dare come up here.
With the bird. Sourdough bread is perfect. Look at the bird. Look at that squirrel.
See, he's looking at you.
our lunch. It is so peaceful. Only one couple walking there. The temperature is rising. I'm beginning to cough more and more and know that I need to get some rest. Also, we want to make sure Queen G gets her rest and get back into her bed to sleep as much as she can to keep her strength up during all of this. Unfortunately, later today, it was Jay who began to run a fever, congestion, and cough. This is all we could do for now. We're all feeling kind of blah and weak. When we get our energy, we run with it. Thank goodness we're all in this together, keeping faith and having hope.
Hi, kitty. Are you here to play?
It's a pretty night. We're enjoying the evening, the sunset. Like I said, you gotta make it lovely as you can, no matter what the situation is. Jay helped Kitty. She used to be on this fence all the time. No, she's older. She has a hard time. Come on, Kitty, let's go. Come on. Show us your moves, girl. Kitty, you can't be in Bill's yard. Come on. Making spaghetti. All of us is not having like a big appetite. So we're just watching a movie, enjoying today. It was hot today. It was fine, relaxing. Nah. Come on, kitty. Let's go.
Go get it. Lay down, yeah, there you go. Relax. I know how you love home. You roll and roll and roll, huh?
Alright, let's go have some din din. Got it? Alright. Alright, come on, little girl. Come on. Come on, kitty. Let's go. Come on. Hey. Kitty. Come on. Come on. Alright, you guys, it has been a week. One full week since we had the big sick. Mom is doing miraculously. She's doing really good. It's almost like she's completely fine and over. However, she has a little bit of a lingering cough. Last night, Jay had like the worst. He had a temperature of 102, so we were up most of the night. Finally went away, so that's good. And his fever broke today. So it has been a week, so right now we're just trying to grill. I just needed something to get us outside for a little bit. It's not windy today. It's been really windy and hot, but today it's not windy, so I figured why not we do the barbecuing of the shish kebabs. So I have some ribeye steak ribeye or New York steak that I just cubed up, along with some zucchini, red onion, mushrooms, and I think that's gonna be enough. I was gonna add some rice to it, but let's face it, not all of us have like the best appetite at this moment. So I did my planner today. I'm finally getting a little bit of energy. Last night after dinner, I totally wiped down the kitchen and I was sweeping, and I put together our new Keurig coffee maker that I purchased. Thank goodness for Target grocery delivery. I added that to the list because the one that we had here was a single serve. It just wasn't cutting it anymore. Other than that, thank you so much for everybody commenting, sending us well wishes. I also kind of added a little blurb into my community page on my channel. If you guys ever look at those type of things, I always forget about the community page tab, so I'm trying to give some updates on there. Finally was in the right frame of mind to edit today, so I edited my gardening video of us preparing the garden so that we can head to Vegas. So it's kind of messed up that we're here in Vegas and can't really go out and do Vegas like we normally do. I know our family is really bummed out that we're unable to spend the time that we wanted to while here. However, it's not such a bad place to be stuck at for quarantine, if you know what I mean. But it is on the 7th day today, and not only just trying to caregive for my mom, you know, I'm also being a nurse to my husband, and then for myself today, I just needed a mental break. I needed a mental break. So, so anyways, I got a little chance to binge watch YouTube for just a short bit, worked on my planner, feeling like, okay, got my little routine a little bit to give myself a break. So, but and that's all kind of like what we're doing. I'm not vlogging like a whole lot because let's face it, we've been on the couch. We've been watching so many movies, like flashback movies too. Remember Tango and Cash with Stallone and Kurt Russell? Remember that one back in the 80s or 90s? That's so funny. And then last night we were watching The Money Pit with Tom Hanks, and I forgot the other lady's name. She played Diane on Cheers. Oh my gosh, I was laughing so hard. I haven't laughed that loud in a long time. Towards the end of the movie, it was so funny. And then we watched The Hangover, Bad Boys Real Life, and we've watched, there's been so many movies we have been watching lately. So anyways, it has been one long movie marathon. So anywho, let me go back in the backyard and join my family. Kitty's been sneezing a lot, so I wouldn't be surprised if she also has it as well. But she's doing okay. She's been really clingy on me. Even though Jay's kind of like feeling
You still have the attitude to barbecue.
Huh?
Yep.
Rain, nor shine. What do you call it?
Nor rain, nor sleet, nor snow. We got the same motto as the post office.
And the big C ain't gonna stop you, right?
Nope.
And Queen G and I thank you for that. The temp is somewhere like in the 78, 79, somewhere around there. Mom, how are you feeling?
I feel good.
You do, huh? You feel
Yeah.
fine.
I feel good, yeah.
Yay, that's what really matters. So Queen G, I think she's pretty much done with it. She just has a lingering cough like I do. Good job, Mom.
Thank you.
And then go ahead and cut them. Oh, that just pains me.
Shish kebab.
I want you guys to have it put are very special and has a lot of meaning. They are protectors of our people.
So Angus ground beef, $6.91 on sale today on Smith. Some meatloaf, some diced up some onions and green bell peppers. My mom, Queen G, is watching Navajo Man Lakota Bay on YouTube. Check them out, some native YouTubers. Like I said, I'm just chopping here. Jay is over there working on the computer for a little bit for work. 9th day in quarantine. Hopefully the last day. Seriously, I'm just losing all track of time. Feeling better today. I just have a lot of fatigue feeling and kind of feeling a little on the weak side. But Jay's doctor had recommended us to like either go out for a brisk walk, something to get your heart pumping so that it would make us feel tremendously much better, which I totally agree on that. So plan to just do a really early dinner by 5. Yeah, have dinner, meatloaf by 5 o'clock tonight, and then we're gonna take a walk around our property, so that would be really nice. Hopefully I can bring you guys along with that. So other than that, we're plugging along.
Silverton. Feels really good to be out and about.